everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful night, and we are going to tonight continue our Vlogoween, and we're going to be decorating this mantle for Halloween. We just got to work around the cords a little bit, but we're going to make this spooky. And I'm wearing my spider headpiece tonight for the occasion. So let's get on with it and have a little fun. I got my stuff right here. And the first thing is first, we are going to put the lights on. So what I want to do to make the effect is to put the lights on the mantle first. So we could end up seeing the lights through the fabric. So let's untwine these, and I want to get the effect of the lights peeking underneath. So I'm just going to take these and just sticking them underneath. I mean, we can position them later on what we want. I'm going to probably put a small, which I will go get, extension cord right now to do this. We got the extension cord, so I'm going to plug this in and get this situated, because I think it's easier to decorate when the lights are on, so we know, oops, what we're going to be dealing with. So I'm going to stick these on, and I might use a little tape to keep these situated. Let's see, use some tape to tape some of this in place so it's not falling, because I don't want just hoping it will tape in place. This tape don't want to stick, but just a little bit. Alright, just I don't want it over the edge, I want it more on top. So what I'm going to do now is take this that we got to decorate the mantle. It looks like a spider web, really cute, like I show. Okay, look at it, how cute. So I'm just going to put it on top of these lights to make it really cute. And I'll show you, because you might not see the lights too much. Try to decorate them. Put the fabric over everything. Okay, actually I'm going to pull this fabric maybe a little bit more down. And I'm going to fold this over. I know it should drape, but I have cats, and you know they get very, if something's hanging too much, they were going to want it to play with it. So far I'm just going to kind of drape. I have this mostly draped down. So I'm just having these lay on here, and if hopefully you can see, the glowing, but oh, I got the scissors and we are going to put these books up. So what I'm going to do is unhooked everything because we don't want, oh, and it does work. So we're going to put one spell book. I'm going to actually put it like on a flat surface, not on top of these. But I'm going to put the spell book like that. Then we have the other spell book, which I'm going to definitely cut the wire on too. Okay. And put... Okay, everyone, I'm sorry about that. I thought that, I don't know what part that I missed, but I completed putting the two books with the potion bottles. I hope I didn't miss too much. I don't know where it cut off. For some reason, just cut off because of my card, or like SD card. But I went kaplooey on me. So I am putting this, which you can't see what I'm doing now, but trying to make this creepy. So this is basically what I had in mind, is that the spiders that I had are creeping up in the spider webs, so I just wanted to kind of decorate this and have the black spiders creeping out. So I just thought this was really creepy and cool, and I'm thinking of putting it right here, either right here or right over here. Maybe I'll put it over here, and I'll just put it on top of it and kind of put it around. So I don't want it falling or anything. Or maybe I'll put this like this. Okay, there we go. And I only have my lights on. Oh, there you go. Let me see. I'm probably just trying to figure out a good spot for this. Actually, I'll probably put it right here. Creeping out. So basically that's my whole theme I was going for with this. And then I'll just put some of the lights underneath over here. And these lights do get pretty hot, but I wouldn't keep these on too long. Somehow just kind of like this, and then have this up like this. Now just have a cute glowing thing, but let me see from, that is, let me see how that will look from your distance. Wish I kind of got more spiders so they can be really creeping up. Maybe I'll put one like this out of, like that. How does that look? And no, my cat's already wanting to get into it. Oh yeah, that looks way better. So I'm going to keep that like that. So I'll have the potion bottles, and if I get anything more witchy or like this type of theme, I will take this down and put it like on another counter or anything, but I'll just keep this here for now. And yeah, that's it for this. So, and what I'll do, I know it's not the theme, but it is kind of spooky, but I do have my kitty's ashes that I had, and I'll put them over here. Right over here. So, I know it's not but it's still a little creepy because it's her ashes. So, I'm just gonna go like this. So, I'll keep it like this. So, that's it. That's all I have is decorating my mantle. And like I said, I'm gonna keep this here, and maybe if I did find a cute little ornament to put on Mitten's ashes, I will do that. So kind of decorate her ashes. I really like to keep her up here. I don't want to keep her, anywhere else. So this is my Halloween display so far. So we'll see what happens if I change it or if I re-invise it a little bit. But I love the potion bottles that I got. And I got these in Walgreens. They were $4.99 and in half price, and these were $4.99 and half price too. So buy one you get one half price. You can't go wrong because when you do go to Michael's, you could spend $10 just for one of these, or $8.99 or something like that. And these are resin, which is really cool because it's not like a cardboard box or a flimsy box. Because I did find in one of Michael's it was just more cardboardy, and I like these, and they light up, so it gives a better, scenery on that. So that is it, my friends. That's all I have for you for this Vlogoween, and I hope you enjoyed this decorating aspect. I had a vision on what I wanted, and it actually came out as executed, which I'm happy. So I hope everyone enjoy. Sorry, so let me get some water. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed it, and thank you for being here, supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribe, and hit the notification button. And let's get on. We still have a lot more days for Vlogoween, and I want to go somewhere special this week. I might do it during the week to go pick up pumpkins at a farm, and they don't close until I think 6 o'clock. So I can, if it stays nice, when I get home, I can go over there and we could vlog going to the farm and getting stuff for our outside display. So anyways, I love you all. Have a great night. Happy Vlogoween.